Hi friends, what's up? How are you? I hope you are doing well and awesome. And today, actually, I was just going through some of the interesting thing what blockchain potentially do. Some out of the box use cases. And to my surprise, I really found out that blockchain could potentially revolutionize the entire telecom industry like forever. And to my surprise, right, like blockchain could potentially address and make 5G much faster. Yes, friends, like potentially the speed within the 5G network, the security of the 5G networks, the speed and its latency, all of that could essentially be made efficient by probably 5 times 10 times more. The other interesting use case what blockchain could potentially do in the telecom space is also identity management. Like every single year, like identity frauds are like amount to like over 15 to 18 plus billion euros as per some recent studies. And of course 5G is the one, and moreover data management, like life cycle management of the entire data whatever a person should like they generate, right? So whenever you use your network, you generate a lot kind of data. For example, when you're traveling, when you're roaming, you would probably, if you're on AT&T, you would probably, when you are in India, you could be essentially on Airtel, right? So that entire data lifecycle management between these two companies and interoperability is something what blockchain is gonna make it much more efficient and safe. So we're gonna talk about this in much detail later on. And also most importantly, it could potentially be used for managing your DND. So government of India essentially came out with some of the interesting blockchain use cases to implement it for essentially managing DNDs, do not disturbs, and safe handling of users' data. The other interesting use case is essentially billing management and the reconciliation errors, right? So whenever you use your network, right? So let's say you're using currently Airtel and then you probably travel and then you are using Vodafone, right? So these network providers, they essentially charge money to both of them for providing support to the network, right? So there are like a lot of reconciliation errors, and essentially blockchain could potentially help solve that. Interestingly, Snapper as a company, we got like amazing opportunity to work with one of the leading like software management company which essentially manage their books and the reconciliation errors, and we really got a deep insight on those use cases, right? So down the line further in this series, I'm going to talk about some of the most amazing blockchain use cases, probably like 2 to 3 minutes, so you could just understand and you could probably explore more and learn more about it. So thank you so much guys, bye bye, cheers, and have a good weekend. Bye bye.